wasn't fastest finger first, but yeah, it is true.
Like on his birthday, I did, but then he went to Alibag. I was like, what dhoka? Every year he's there, and that time only he had to go to Alibag when I was in Mumbai.
Everyone, welcome to All Things Movies. I know it's been a while, it's been a couple of months since we did a Bollywood quiz, but I decided to kind of start it again. Cool. So before we start, let's do a very quick round of intro. I'm Priya. I live in London. I run All Things Movies because I love movies. And I know far too much about Bollywood, very like useless information about Bollywood I happen to know. So I'm just kind of trying to make it a little bit more, productive. Otherwise, knowing this information really isn't getting me anywhere in life. So I might as well run a quiz, which is why I'm doing this. But going around the room, so we've got Ria from Melbourne, Shant from London, and Ankita from Delhi. This is also Sushant's debut. So hi, Sushant, welcome and all the best. You have very tough competition.
I'm pretty nervous having seen some of your shows before. I don't think I quite match up.
Let's see. Okay, let's start by a very quick question on what is the best piece of content or best movie that you watched during the lockdown. So I watched Super Deluxe, which is a Tamil movie. It's on Netflix. I watched it with subtitles, and it's got various stories in it, but the central story is about a man who dresses up like a woman and he feels like a woman, and how society kind of accepts it, how his son accepts it, and so on and so forth. So I really like that movie. Maybe one for you all to catch. But okay, going around the room, Ria, we'll start with you.
I think the last movie that I watched, which I really liked, was Bulbul. I don't know if you guys have watched it or not. It's a movie produced by Anushka Sharma. I don't know. It was a very nice movie, very well directed movie, and also the acting was really amazing. The storyline and the things that they were trying to depict. It was like, I don't want to talk about it and spoil your experience. So everybody must watch it. It's really good.
Sushant, what about you?
For me, it's a tie between Chichore and 102 Not Out. I saw both those movies pretty recently. Yeah, I thought they were both amazing movies. Chichore I heard a lot about, 102 Not Out not as much. But I just thought both of them were really well directed and the acting was just exceptional in both of them.
102 Not Out is the one with Rishi Kapoor and Amitabh Bachchan, is that right?
Yeah. Brilliant acting.
Yeah. Yita, what about you?
So I watched this Malayali movie called Solo. It stars Dulquer Salman. And so it's basically a collection of 4 short stories. And in all of them, Dulquer plays the protagonist or antagonist. It depends on the way you look at it. And all the 4 stories, each story is inspired by a different element. So one is water, one is fire, one is air, and one is earth. And the protagonist's character sort of depends on the theme element of that particular story. And I personally found it to be so good. Like, I'm getting goosebumps while I'm speaking about it. So of course, I have a certain bias towards DQ, but the movie in itself is also really good. And especially the music is hair-raising, absolutely. So Solo is something...
DQ only says that you really like him. I would never have known. Let's start very quickly. Question number 1. Which is India's first indigenously made color film? So which was the first color film that was made in India for Indian audiences? You all know the first film that was made in India? Wo to pata hoga. That was Raja Harishchandra. That was the first film that was made, but that was a silent film. Ria, what do you have?
Yeah, I don't have an answer basically. I'm going to show you what I... Never mind.
What did you write? You should tell us that if it's funny.
No, it was just like 3 question marks. I didn't know. Like,
Shant, what did you write?
I had Mughal Azam.
Okay. And Ankita?
I had Naya Daur, but I know that's not correct.
It was actually a movie called Kisan Kanya in 1937. And this was the first one that they made in India. And it was made by the same guy who made Alamara. Alamara was the first movie with sound that was made in India. So he also made this one.
It was a color movie.
It was a color movie in 1937.
Oh.
And actually, I read that before this, a part of a Marathi movie was actually made in color, but that wasn't made in India. It was made in Germany for Indian audiences. Like the production and everything happened in Germany. So that does not qualify as the first Indian movie.
Don't take that away from Maharashtrians, man.
Okay, so nobody gets a point. This is a tough one. Matlab, it's hard to know. Like, this is something that you.
हाँ, मेरा बॉलीवुड नॉलेज बहुत शैलो है, वो 90s के बियॉन्ड नहीं जाता.
Chalo. So the second one, question number 2. Raju and Shyam are the lead characters of which famous comedy movie?
I hope I'm right. I better be.
You saw how the level of tough bring down like a drop. Okay.
Was that to cater to me, Priya?
Okay, so Shani, we'll start with you. What do you have?
I have Hera Fairy.
Okay, what do Ankita and Riya have?
Hera Fairy.
So हेरा फेरी and फिर हेरा फेरी, चांस ही नहीं लेना, कोई रिस्क नहीं लेना.
Correct, it is Hera Fairy. If you watch Andaz Apna Apna for the first time now, you'll probably be like, ye kya hai? Why is it so funny? You need to watch it over 20 years for it to be that epic. I think Hera Fairy bhi kind of like that hai, thoda.
Yeah, Andaz Apna Apna is just... I'll find it funny at in like after 20-30 years also. Yeah.
But probably because we watched it in the 90s itself. Matlab, abhi if I make one of my younger cousins watch it in today's state, they'll probably not find it as funny.
Maybe.
Like half of the concepts only they won't understand. What is this? That lodge wala scene, that guest house wala scene. That's a concept, jail inaugurate kar. This doesn't happen in mainstream cinema anymore.
Yeah.
Cringe humor, right?
They'd probably be fascinated by all these cool devices like a landline phone and be wondering what the hell is this?
Why are they drinking tea from the same cup?
They'll be so disappointed and feel like वो इतना woke है ना अभी का generation. They'll be like, what is this? Why are two guys after? What is that song? दिल करता है तेरे पास, हम जबरदस्ती उसके पीछे क्यों जा रहे हैं?
Okay, so everyone's got 1 point. Question number 3. Which movie is this dialogue from? जब लोग तुम्हारे खिलाफ बोलने लगे, समझ लो तरक्की कर रहे हो.
Is it like new movie, recent movie, like old movie?
2000s.
I think I know the movie, but I can't recollect the name. So I've just written the main character from the movie.
If you know the main character, then you know the movie. That's a very big hint.
Yeah, no, I know. But I can't remember the name of the character. I know the actress who plays the character, which I think I'm giving away way too much to my competitors. But
I'm not sure, but
it's a guy.
Is it a guy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
One more. So this is
Maybe not.
2000, so I'm a little confused because I don't know when, I remember this movie, but I don't know when it released.
Okay, chalo, what answers do you have? Ankita, we'll start with you. What do you
Guru.
Sushant?
I wrote some Ajay Devgan gangster movie.
Once Upon a Time in Bombay.
Once Upon a Time in Bombay, correct.
Riya?
Guru.
It is Guru.
Oh shit. I've seen
So
this
I was
movie.
saying if you know the main character who's saying it, you'll know the name of the movie as well.
I tried to think when did they get married because I think it was something I forgot. You said 2000s. I was like, wait, when did they get married? What happened? When was it?
2007 movie. Abhishek and Aishwarya get married. You were trying to.
Yeah, something. Yeah, like the timeline because sometimes you remembered stories and movies.
Okay, so we've got Riya and Ankita with 2 points, Sushant with 1 point, and we go on to question number 4. Which is the biggest film city in India?
I am not I think I know.
But if a certain yogi is to be believed not for too long.
So, my question was first around that. But anyway, let's first tackle this one and then we'll go to what my question was going to be. Okay, so Shan, starting with you, what do you have?
Ramoji.
Riya?
Ramoji.
Ramoji.
Yes, it is Ramoji.
Yes.
It is the biggest film city in the world, not only in India. But then I thought about this a little bit. Do other countries even have film cities? I mean, I don't know if this concept even exists. So, and apparently Uttar Pradesh is trying to beat that and make the biggest film city in Noida. Let's move on. Question number 5. Complete the name of the movie. And this is from the time when every Hindi movie had an English tagline for some reason, but it was part of the official name. So the name of the movie is Waqt. It is a movie in which Amitabh Bachchan, Priyanka Chopra, Akshay Kumar and Shefali Shah acted. What is complete the name of the movie? Waqt --
I've never even heard of this movie, so I'm just going to take a completely wild guess.
It's actually a good movie. I liked it. Like, it was.
There, Amitabh
Yeah,
Bachchan
minus-
right? Looks like Riya and Ankita have the answer. Sushant is.
I'm just trying to be creative.
What rhymes with Waqt?
I'm suddenly reminded of the song "Do Me a Favor, Let's Play Holi."
This is that movie, yes. Sushant, have you heard the song or not?
I've heard the song. I haven't heard of the movie.
The
Certainly
classic by Anu Malik.
It's a good song.
It's a good song, yeah. Good holy song. Okay, what do you all have? I want to.
Race Against Time. Okay, sorry. You didn't ask. I was too excited, I guess.
No show. The Race Against Time. Ankita, what do you have?
Same Race Against Time.
Oh shit.
What do you have, Sushant? What creativity?
I said time always changes.
Close.
Not too far, actually.
Yeah, time.
It's actually a movie about a health condition that Amitabh Bachchan had. I think he was going to die or something, which is why it's called a race against. Like, they have a very happy family and then suddenly this happens. And then they start living apart for some reason, I remember.
Because he was a spoiled guy. He was very spoiled. He was a brat. So he wanted him to be independent and do something of his own and all of that.
So they give him the outhouse in their big bungalow and ask him to
Fend for himself.
The hardships people face.
He wanted to be a movie star, I guess. Right? Movie star or something?
I
wanted to be a dancer. Like, बहुत ही weird सा sequence था ना बीच में doing some weird ass.
Yeah.
I remember wearing like these really high neck sweaters. He would dance. This is that movie, right?
No, he was dancing in some kurta dhoti, something like that. बहुत ही अजीब सा indigenous dance था. Which तो
I think I remember the sequence. It's there in my mind. Whenever you talk about, whenever you talk about such weird dance sequence, okay, I'm always reminded of Dil To Pagal Hai. Always.
In their version of Spanx, then the whole dance troupe would wear like Spanx and
Did you guys like Dil To Pagal Hai? I think I'm the only person who absolutely hated it. Like, every single person I've spoken to about the movie is in love with the movie.
Like, I like good movie. Like, why? Like, it's a good movie.
I personally find the characters a little annoying, except for maybe Karishma Kapoor's character and maybe Akshay Kumar. But वो main दोनों तो बहुत ही annoying है.
It's probably, I agree. I completely agree with Ankita that Madhuri Dixit's character is just so annoying, and I'll never say that about her because I'm a huge fan. I just could not bear to watch her in that movie.
The guy wasn't the lead role. I think the guy was good though.
Listen, trivia about Riya, and her email ID for the longest time was riya.srk@gmail.com.
It runs in the family, guys.
If you've got a Riya in your name in any form, whether it's Priya or Riya, you like SRK. That's
what happened. So my ID actually was riya.srk@gmail.com. Then I forgot my password. So I made srk.riya@gmail.com.
All combinations of Riya and SRK belong to you basically.
Have you done the whole standing outside his bungalow at bandstand waiting for him to come and say hi or wave out to you like a diva?
Like on his birthday, I did, but then he went to Alibag. I was like, what dhoka. Every year he's there, and that time only he had to go to Alibag when I was in Mumbai. Finally.
Once I did this. I went to his bungalow and I chatted with his watchman. And I was like, hai, please, uncle, please bataiye na. This was like after I moved to London. And there was no crowd outside his house. This was really late. So that watchman was like, ma'am, wo London mein hai. I'm like, this is so unfair, dude. You're just making it up, right? मैं अभी लंदन से आ रही हूँ, नहीं है वो वहाँ पे. मैं नहीं वो वहीं पे है अभी.
Wait, did you say this is so unfair, dude? Like,
no, man, I didn't.
Yeah, yeah. Imagine saying that too.
He would have been like one lathi, get out from here. So question number 6, and we currently have Riya and Ankita on a tie, and Sushant 2 points behind them. So Sushant, in the next 2 questions, you never can actually. They have to not answer it, and you have to answer both correctly.
Well, I'm already a winner in my eyes. That's 2 more points that I thought I would score. And I don't think I've embarrassed myself. That's literally my only target for this quiz.
Good. So question number 6, and this is fastest finger first. Okay, so this you all need to answer very quickly. You all have to shout out the answer on this one. You have to translate the song from its English lyrics to Hindi. And I'm going to say it in English. Now that you have stolen my heart, don't steal my glances too.
चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को नजर नहीं चुरा.
Oh.
Yes. So Ankita gets that point. You all were getting there. I think Riya, Sushant, I could tell from your facial expressions ki aa raha hai.
Yeah, I was just writing it down. No, I'm lying. I wasn't.
Okay. So Ankita in the lead, and the last question number 7. True or false? Nawazuddin Siddiqui was part of the movie Munna Bhai MBBS. Is this true or false?
True.
False.
True.
True?
This wasn't fastest finger first, but yeah, it is true. It is true. Basically,
Where was he?
it was a very small role. He was a pickpocket in the movie.
What?
It was a very, very tiny role. And if you see him today, I'll link it in the description. If you see that video today, you'll be like, he looks so different.
I remember him in Sarfarosh. I remember that scene very, very vividly. Where he's one of those witnesses that Amir Khan's trying to intimidate.
That was going to be my question actually. You would have got this because my question was going to be, which was the first Bollywood movie that Nawazuddin came in. It was actually Sarfarosh. Good knowledge, yeah. You guys, मतलब जीतना हारना तो लगा रहता है, but I think you all have pretty good, solid knowledge about Bollywood. I'm pretty impressed.
Yeah, results not important. It's just knowledge.
I would be a little less stupid about myself knowing such trivia. I think many people know such useless trivia, जिसका कुछ किया नहीं जा सकता है. So maybe I'll just continue to host these quizzes. So Ankita wins this time, Riya close second, and Sushant close third. But well done, guys, and thanks for coming on the show. I'll see you all again over the next couple of weeks, hopefully.
Yeah,
Bye.
thanks, guys. Thanks for having me, Priya. Bye.